Hello, welcome. Today we are going to discuss how we can partition a geometry in Abaqus and create hexahedral elements on it. I have imported a part in Abaqus user interface. It's not so complex geometry, but as you can see, the algorithm cannot mess it with hex element as it is, only with the tetrahedral element. So we are going to show some tricks or some techniques that we should follow so we can mess it with hex element. So we can click this button, create partition, and start. Click cell and click extend face. So here the Abaqus, now we have only one cell, so just you have to select the face that you want to use for the partition. So create partition. So now here this part of the geometry, the color is yellow, and that means that we can mess it with hexahedral element. So we have to continue for the rest geometry. So now click again extend faces, and now the Abaqus asks for the cells that we want to partition. You can see that you have to select between the orange and the yellow. We click the orange geometry. Done, and now we click the face. We click this face, and now we have 3 cells. We continue by doing the same, not just to extend face, select the cell, done. Select the face, click this face, done. Okay, now for some reason this partition remains orange. We'll see it in the future. We'll see it next. And let's continue. Let's click this cell, click done, select the cell, okay, select the surface, okay, perfect. Okay, and now we have to click again this, select this face, okay. So now I will do another trick. I will select all the cells and I will click this surface, and now again I will select all the cells and I will click this face. Okay, so so now I will create some datums. XZ, okay. No, 0, yes, and I will create YZ datum. And again, I will now click use datum plane. I will select all the cells. I will create this. Okay. Now we have green and yellow color, means that we can mess it with hexahedral elements, but we can do one step more and make partitions again. Click the other datum, and now we have all our partitions green. That means that we can create a very nice structure hexahedral mesh. So let's click this button, Click done. Standard, hex, linear, let it as linear. Reduce the gradations. Okay. Let's leave the default value. Okay, and click mesh the part. Okay guys, you see that we have created a very wonderful mesh on our geometry very easily. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for next videos. Bye bye.